How to transfer from Binance to Perfect Money. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you step by step on how to transfer from Binance to Perfect Money. After you open your Binance app like this, now go to assets, go to withdraw, select withdraw again. So from this option now, go and select the coin you want to withdraw. For me, I want to withdraw USDT. I'll select USDT. After you select the USDT like this, tap on this send back crypto network. So from this option now, Binance will ask you to type in the address. So now go and open up your Perfect Money and tap on receive and select the USDT. After you select the USDT, just copy the address of the USDT and select a network from there. After you copy the address, just come back to your Binance like this and long press your hand on this option now and paste in the address that you copy from your Perfect Money and tap on this option now and select the network that you selected from your Perfect Money. After you select the network, just tap on this option now and add in the money, the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. For me, I want to withdraw like 30 USDT. Now, if I tap on this withdraw button, I'll be able to receive the money directly into my Perfect Money app. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe.